Enabling two-factor authentication 2FA on your Security First Bank of India account adds an extra layer of security to protect your personal information. Follow these steps to set it up. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Security First Bank of India website and log into your online banking account using your username and password. Step 2. Access security settings. Once logged in, navigate to the account settings or security settings section. This is typically found in a menu or profile options. Step 3. Locate two-factor authentication option. Look for the option labeled two-factor authentication or 2FA. Click on this option to begin the setup process. Step 4. Choose your authentication method. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SRT to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 5. Confirm and activate. After selecting your method, you will receive a verification code. Enter this code in a provided field to confirm your choice. Once confirmed, 2FA will be activated on your account. By following these steps, you can enhance the security of your Security First Bank of India account with two-factor authentication. Always remember to keep your contact information updated to ensure you receive authentication codes without any issues.